Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Seema here, and today we are doing a very simple technique but very effective in case you want to get a 3D effect on your backgrounds, on your alphabets, and it really gives a beautiful effect. It's called an offset inking technique. Recently, I saw a video by Jennifer McGuire also where she explains it, but she was talking about using uh, ink pads for this technique. However, for those of you who do not have too many ink pads or uh, are not much into stamping and stuff, or do not have many colors and of inks, you can also use your acrylics, and it is also a beautiful technique for giving a 3D effect on your alphabets. For those of you who make nameplates or journaling, do a lot of journaling, this is a simple technique. So I'll just be showing you the technique. I'm not making any project here. I'm just showing you how you can get this effect on your journals and mixed media projects and other things that you might be using your acrylic colors. Now, all you need is a stencil of your choice. Here I'm showing you in a stencil. The colors I used here was not very visible, but basically what you need to do is get a light color. Here I was not using white. On the black background I used white, and it shows up best, I think, and on a darker color background it will really show up very well. So if you have a background base and you want to get a 3D effect on that, it will show up beautifully. So you all you need to do is shift your stencil just by a 16th or an about an eighth of an inch or less than that. Just shift it a little bit. Once you're done with one color, you use a darker color and or a second color, and you have to just shift it a little bit. As I said, there was not much of a difference in the two colors that I used here, and that's the reason you can hardly see the lighter color, but there'll be it is there. If you see it in real, it is there. So let me try another stencil with you. This would be a better stencil, and it is always gives out a better effect if the design has some gap in it, because then you have more space to actually shift your stencil. So it gives a better effect. However, even here I will show you. As you can see, I was I was did this in a quite a rush, so I've not been very neat. But if you're careful with your stencils, it will give you a beautiful effect. And this one I could have gone a little more wider also, and it gives a 3D effect on your stencil. And especially if you're doing a big brick background, this will, without actually adding any bulk to your project, you can still give that 3D effect, and it will look awesome. Believe me, it will look amazing if you do it on a complete background. As you can see here, this gives a 3D look on your project. I will also show you with the alphabets. So basically, it's the same thing. You go once, and then you shift your stencil to a different, just by a little, about to either whichever side you want to go. But just make sure that you're doing it evenly, and you can tape down your stencils and then move your project. Here I'm using a writing pad, and that's the reason I can't tape down my stencil. But if you tape it down, it will come out much neater. And you can, the best thing is, you with when you're using acrylics, since you can use even lighter colors on darker colors, you can go for a shadow effect. So you can use dark color first, and once it dries, you can use the lighter color, and will give you a beautiful shadow effect. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I do tips and tricks videos like this every Tuesday, and tutorials on Friday. So I hope you would enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead. See you soon. Bye bye.